Welcome everyone. I'm Dr. Zubin Daruwalla, Director and Healthcare Lead for PwC Southeast Asia Consulting while remaining a practicing clinician, and I'm very pleased to have with us today Myra Eskes, President and CEO of GE Healthcare ASEAN. Myra is responsible for the business and growth strategy for the GE Healthcare business in ASEAN, which includes diagnostic and interventional imaging, patient monitoring, digital, formerly known as healthcare IT, and life sciences. She is here to discuss with us the future of the medical device industry in ASEAN. So welcome, Myra, and thank you for your time today. Maybe I can actually start just by asking your thoughts on the general outlook of the medical devices industry in ASEAN.
Sure. ASEAN is a key market for medical devices companies because the region's economies and healthcare markets are growing. It has an aging population, and there's a shift of disease pattern from communicable diseases to chronic disease, such as cardiovascular, diabetes, and cancer. And as incomes are growing, people are spending more on healthcare, and they're also demanding higher quality healthcare services. However, there are challenges that companies need to be aware of. There's still a high percentage of the population living in rural areas who do not have access to these medical facilities. And affordability of medical devices is a challenge in the region. Also, countries in ASEAN are very diverse. The most advanced healthcare infrastructure is available right next to areas where there's a tremendous need for healthcare infrastructure. So businesses need to understand the differences in each country and deploy the right strategy and resources to support each country.
So Myra, if I may, I'd also like to ask you as to what companies are actually doing or can do to capture the growth opportunities in ASEAN with regard to medical devices.
Yes, there's growth opportunity across all segments, especially in areas like cardiovascular and oncology. Governments are looking to increase penetration beyond the major cities. Through GE's affordable care portfolio, we aim to reduce the typical trade-offs that need to be made between quality and affordability, and we enable physicians to make the most informed diagnosis and deliver quality healthcare for their patients. By developing products at a more cost-effective price point, we are opening up access to this equipment and creating opportunities for healthcare providers to purchase it, so essentially tapping into a whole new market. This is a great opportunity, especially as governments and healthcare systems in ASEAN look to equip healthcare facilities with high-quality products at an attractive cost structure. So looking ahead, digital solutions around AI and mobile health will play a key role in increasing access and affordability in the region, as well as helping improving health outcomes. Also, companies should look at new segments, such as providing care through alternate delivery models. This is still in the early stages, but has huge potential in the region. However, collaboration between the key stakeholders, like the government, insurers, providers, pharma and medtech companies, is the key to success.
On that note, Myra, thank you so much for being here with us today and for sharing your thoughts and insights. We look forward to seeing what the future holds in ASEAN for both GE Healthcare and the medtech industry. Thank you.